Hello my dear students, welcome again in class 8th English Grammar. Today we are going to read lesson 6 of English Grammar, that is causative verbs have, get, make and let. Student, this is the part 2 of this lesson. We have already read part 1 of this lesson in which we have read so many rules of causative verbs. Student, now in this video lecture we are going to some more rules of causative verbs. So student, before starting the lesson, before starting the rules, just read the sentence, look at the following sentence and read it. So what is the sentence written, student? The teacher let the student go home early today. Second sentence, do you think they will let the issue go unnoticed? Number third, can you please let me walk in peace? Student, so here there is the use of let, and let indicate what? In all the three sentences there is the use of let. What indicate here? Let indicate permission. It indicates permission here. For example, student, in the first sentence, the teacher let the student go home early today. It means that the teacher permitted the student go home early today. Number 2, do you think they will let the issue go unnoticed? It means, do you think they will permit the issue go unnoticed? Number 3, can you please let me walk in peace? So it means that can you permit me walk in peace? So student, we get here that let convey the idea of permitting someone to do or not to do something. So this is very important here, that let indicate what? Permission. Now some more examples are given here. They let the children take extra chocolate. It means that they permitted the children to take extra chocolate. Second student, she lets her dogs play in the park with other dogs. So it means here that she permitted her dogs play in the park with other dogs. Number 3, please don't let him go too far. It means here, please don't permit him to go too far. So student, we have got here that let convey the idea of permitting someone to do or not to do something. So this is the rule we have got here. Now the next student, read the next sentence. Look at the following sentence. Here there is the use of made. I made her delete all the outdated application from her phone. So here made is used. Second one, Shushan made her friend submit the file on her behalf. Again made is used. Third sentence, my niece makes me bake cookies every weekend. So student, here in all the three sentences, made is used in the sense of convince or persuade. I made her delete means I convinced her delete. Second one, Shushan made her friend submit. It means Shushan convinced her friend submit. Number 3, my niece makes me cake. So it means my niece convinced me bake cookies every weekend. Now next one, student. So here look at the next sentence here. The teacher let the student go home early today. So in the first sentence, student, made is used to convey the subject force or compel. Force or compel here. In the previous sentence, whatever we have read here, made is used for what? Here made is used to compel or convince anyone to do the work, and that's why students we have got here that make is used in different form to indicate the subject to leave no option or choice someone but to perform the action. For more examples are given here. You made me climb the stair for this. So you made me means you force me, you convince me, you persuade me to climb the stair for this. Second one, my grandfather makes me get up at 6 in the morning every day. So my grandfather forced me To get up at 6 in the morning every day. Number 3, can you make her correct all the papers today itself? So can you make her correct means can you force her correct, can you compel her correct all the papers today itself. So student, here we have get the rule of let and make. Let is used in permission and make is used in force and compel. Now one exercise is given here. Do the exercise. Question number is, what is the question? Number 4, fill in the blanks using let or make in the different form. Number 1, student, Fahad dash his children watch a video about their native place. So Fahad lets his children means Fahad gives permission his children watch a movie video about their native place. Number 2, will they let me accompany you to the program? So again here it is the use of, here it is in the sense of permission, that's why let is used. Number 3, they dash her sign a contract before lending the money. So made is used here, student. Why made is used? Because here they force her sign a contract, that's why made is used. Next one, does the school dash student join in the middle of a year? So does the school let the student means permit the student to join in the middle of a year. Number E, I hope they will let you take part in the play this year. Again here in the sense of permission in future, it is will let is used here. Now number F, Shaila dash her assistant rewrite the entire program schedule. So here made is used because Shaila compelled her assistant to rewrite the entire program, that's why made is used here. Number G, will you make her understand means again compel her understand or force her understand, that's why make is used. Last one, student, since I have an appointment at the hospital, can you let me leave, can you permit me leave a bit early today? Here there is a sense of permission, that's why let is used here. So student, we have got here that we have to put let or make in different forms, and let is used in the form of permission and make is used in the form of force or compel. Now student, the next rule about that is related to had. Now had is the different form, had in past and have in present. So Meera had her son book ticket for the entire family. So who has done the work for Meera, her son. We have our ticket booked by a travel agency. So here who has done the work? By a travel agency. Number 3, they had the intern arrange the document chronologically. So who has done the work? Intern. Here intern has done the work. So student, in the first sentence, had shows Meera cause her son to book the ticket for the entire family. Second sentence and the third sentence establish a casual relationship between the participant. The causing verb have or had and the causing verb has or have convey the same meaning with the different that make express casual relationship of compulsion. And here student, had establishes a softer casual relationship. There is a softer casual relationship. There is no any type of force or compel. Some more examples are given here. I have my clothes washed at the laundry mat every week. So who has washed the cloth? Laundromat. I had my neighbor collect my mail while I was away. So who is responsible for doing the work? My neighbor. The senior editor had the trainees copy edit a few documents. So who has done the work of copy edit? The trainee. So here there is a casual relationship, student, and the softer casual relationship, that's why have or had is used. Now next one, got. get, got, gets. These are the forms of get causative verb. So look at the sentence, student. The salesman got her to buy a new washing machine. Salesman got her to buy a new washing machine. Next sentence. My mother gets me to eat fruits every afternoon. Number 3. He got his shoes repaired by the cobbler. So in the first sentence, student, the subject salesman persuaded her to buy a new washing machine. The salesman got her, means the got means here persuaded. Got indicate what? The meaning of persuade. Convince anyone. The relationship is conveyed using the causative verb got. Here who established the relationship between the salesman and her? Between the salesman and her, who established the relationship? The relationship is established between got with the help of got only. Second one, my mother gets me. So who here there is relationship between my mother and me. Third sentence, he and the cobbler, because the work is done by whom? The cobbler. So student, here got express what? That the work is done by somebody else, and how he has make the work done? By persuading anyone. Some more examples are given here. Diksha got Mitra to watch the movie. So Diksha convinced Mitra to watch the movie with her. She gets her nephew to watch the plants every day. So she convinced her nephew to water the plants every day. Adhyan gets his hair trimmed every month. So Adhyan gets his hair, means somebody convinced Adhyan to trim his hair every day. So student, here get is used in the sense of what? In the sense of persuade somebody. Now one exercise is given here, student. Here we have to make the words of causative verb only. So fill in the blank with suitable causative verb. Number 1, the librarian let Ahana return the book even though it was 5:30 p.m. So here in the sense of permission let is used. You can't make him change his mind. You can't force him. In the sense of for, make is used. Meena got her project bound yesterday. So there is a relationship between Meena and her project. Now I had Harshit. So there is Harshit. So there is relationship between I and Harshit, who has done the work. Will they let us take the food inside the chair? So in the sense of permission let is used. They made me show them pictures of me in my childhood. So again made means here in the sense of persuade, the sense in the sense of compel or force and persuade, the word made is used. I got the sapling specially delivered from Kerala. So student, here there is a relationship between I and the sapling. Number H, her grandmother let her pack a lot of sweets for friends. So let in the sense of permission let is used here. So we have done the exercise, student, with the explanation. Now number 6, rewrite the following sentence using different form of have, make, get and let. One has been done for you. So come on here, student. What is the sentence here? There are two sentences. The dean allowed my parents to stay with me in the hostel for night. So here in the sense of allowed, what we can say, write let. We can use the causative verb let. The dean let my parents stay with me in the hostel for a night. Number 2, Jaya arranged for a tutor to teach her kids every day. So Jaya got a tutor to teach her kids every day. Here got is used. Rakib compelled me to take the bus back. So here compelled, in the sense of compelled we can use made. Rakib made me to take the bus back home. Number D, students, Shlok was left with no choice but to wait for an hour for Alida. So what we can use? Left for no choice, mid. Shlok made Alida to wait for an hour. So student, we have done here the use of causative sentence. Now next one, number E. The faucet in the bathroom was broken. The manager called a plumber to fix it. So here, for example, instead of call off, we can use got. The faucet in the bathroom was broken. The manager got a plumber to fix it. Hemlata didn't want to go to the convocation ceremony. Her sister convinced her to go. So for convince, which we can use? We can use got. Hemlata did not want to go to convocation ceremony. Her sister got her to go. Number G. The matron gave me friends permission to go the birthday celebration in the recreation hall. So student, here gave permission sense, in the sense of give permission we can use let. The matron let my friends to hold the birthday celebration in the recreational hall. Number H. He did not know how to use the new software. His friend taught him how to use it in his request. So he did not know how to use the new software. His friend made him to use. So made is used for relationship here. There is relationship between his friend and him, and who forced him to use it. His friend persuaded him to use it on his request. So student, we have done this exercise. Now the last exercise here, identify the error and rewrite the following sentence. Student, in each sentence there is one error, so we have to find it. Make her say what she wants. So student, make is the wrong causative verb here. What will be the correct one? Let. Let her say what she wants. Next one, student, they are making their fence painted white. Painted white. So making is the incorrect causative verb. What will be the correct one? Getting. They are getting their fence painted white. Number 3. He gets the children play in the courtyard for some time. So student, gets is the incorrect word. What will be the correct one? Lets. Permission, in the sense of permission. He lets the children play in the courtyard for some time. Now number D. I make the dogs taken out for a walk twice every day. So student, here instead of make, what is the word used? Get. I get the dogs taken out for a walk twice a day. Now 4 more sentences are given here. Now number E. She got me finished reading the entire chapter in 2 hours. So instead of got, student, what is used here? Made. Number F, students. Number F. The management allowed a banner printed for the event. Allowed a banner. So student, the manager got a banner printed for the event. Got is the correct causative verb. The teacher got him read out the essay in front of the class. So got is the incorrect word. What will be? The teacher made him read out the essay in front of the class. Number H. She let her photograph taken by an award-winning cinematographer. So student, here let is the incorrect word. What will be the correct one? Had. She had her photograph taken by an award-winning cinematographer. So student, we have done this exercise also. So with this exercise, the lesson is finished here. So keep watching my videos, students, and do practice and learn all the rules and practice in your copy. Thank you for watching the video.